Hey, it has arrived. Now, I'm obviously very excited for this device. I love the original Steam controller. I am pretty confident I will love this one as well, simply because it's the Steam Deck without a screen, it with a little extra gyro goodness mixed in with the grip sense. But Valve in general, their packaging is fantastic. Your games at your fingertips. Steam controller. And this is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video for me. I don't typically make unscripted videos, simply because I kind of suck at it. So bear with me while I give this first impressions. But it's here. I'll be comparing it directly with Ye Old Classic, and I hope you enjoy this. Huge shout out to all the amazing creators that have already effectively done the exact same thing as I have. I figure what I'll do as part of this to make it a little bit unique is show some of my existing configurations that I have on my wonderful Steam Deck, and see if it translates directly over to the Steam controller. As you know, Valve has mentioned that was their goal, to take the familiar controls of the Steam Deck and bring them to a controller. Uh, let's find out. So, first time opening this bad boy. Oh, that's magnificent. That's great. Let's just adjust this a little bit so I can center it. Okay, so looks like they got, owner's manual as a QR code. Yeah, let's not start with that. Let's start with the cable. I don't care about that. Love the packaging. Absolutely love this box, and it's beautiful. Obviously, I saw leaks of the box before it even was announced, so it's no surprise here. I've had time to look at it and enjoy pictures of it, but getting it in person, not bad. So let me just, yeah, okay, just a standard old cable. Nothing crazy about this. Well, I mean, that's a little longer than expected, but let's just prep and get this plugged into my Steam Deck over here. We'll see if this works, but running off battery power, I might have to go get another adapter if this doesn't work. But pull it out and see how it feels. That feels exactly like the Steam Deck. Like literally the exact same. Same plastic feel, I should say. It's better than my base, like, oh wow, it feels so good in the hand. My base Xbox controller, plastic. I'm not a huge fan of that, but it's very much the ABS style feeling. Buttons are pretty clicky. Trackpad. Oh, trackpads have. So on the Steam Deck, the trackpads. Let me talk about this. The Steam Deck has trackpads that are, the texture's pretty rough. I'm not a huge fan of the texture, so it's hard to tell, but I stuck a vinyl sticker over it, because it bothered me so much and I wanted to smooth it out. And I'm not sure I'm going to have to do the same thing on this. Back buttons are exactly where my middle and ring fingers go, exactly the same feel, like almost exactly the same feel as the Steam Deck, except they're round, much better button shape. Oh, they're real clicky. I don't know if you hear that. Real clicky. I love that. So far, so good. The puck is actually smaller than I was expecting. Has a little bit of a grip on the bottom. Not bad. Let's plug this in, see how it goes, eh? I love it. All right, so let's see if it's just automatically detected. New Steam controller detected. Wow, that's perfect. I don't know why I'm doing that. I can do the same thing right here, right? Let's see what it says. While we're at that, waiting for that to do who knows what it's doing. Oh, that's good. That's fantastic. Great feeling there. And the icon updated to show it's charging. That's you know, an expected touch, a nice one. Okay, nothing's really happening here, so let's go in. So we want to go down here to settings, controllers, right? Update all devices now. So that's not a good sign. I mean it's working. The Steam controller is working, but we might have to do a little digging here. Find out what's up. Connected Wi-Fi. Good haptics, wow. And we want rumble on. Oh, the D-pad feels really good. Really good. Oh, that's cool. I might have to update my old Steam Deck itself, so let's do some updates, eh? Yeah, so I'm on stable branch, set with my time zone. We'll do this. And I'll come back when it's done. And we're back. Let's okay. Steam controller detected. Yay. There we go. So yeah, I had to update Steam on my deck. That was the solution to this little issue. Now, I'm gonna just let this go in real time. You guys can skip forward if you want to. But yeah, might as well just let it go in full real time. Beautiful, plug-in Steam controller. So I assume the puck's good. So we'll now go like this. Plug that bad boy in. It's gonna update the Steam controller. I'm assuming red means don't unplug me. That's cool, that's an RGB LED. That's nifty. You can now plug your puck back in. Okay. And that's that. Okay. One quick note about your puck. The Steam controller puck is a wireless transmitter connecting your controller to Steam Deck. It's also a charging station. Very well. I mean, aside from that, I think this might just be grab and go. So, shall we? Let's check out Valheim, shall we? So let's see what's going on with this. Let's get a real demonstration, shall we? I have no idea how much you want to be able to hear the Steam Deck, but might as well, am I right? It literally feels the same. That's wonderful. Oh, nice and clicky. Yeah, that works. Gyro. Works. I'll just go into one of my random worlds. See if there's even anything in it. I do not play Valheim on my own. Play with friends on a server. And I don't have that set up to show you the worlds that I've been creating, but we can check out how the Steam controller feels in relation to everything. So, feels good. Oh, that feels good. Gyro feels fantastic. Yep, I have the back button set up for sprint and jump. Oh, this feels amazing. What do my shoulder buttons do? Yeah, I remember now. So, oh, that's perfect. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so I don't have gyro set up on capacitive for the thumbstick apparently, but I do on that. That feels really good. Feels really, really good. Um, let's find out what's up with gyro on that. Look at the layout. Oh, actually, edit layout. Let's go down to the old gyro. Yeah, that's interesting. So easy adjustment. Just that right there, right? Yep, that's that. Haptics feel fantastic. They're nice and clicky, but not like make your hand go numb clicky, which is great. So, oh yeah, touchpad feels perfect location wise. And this is how I typically play is with the trackpad. I might actually still with the haptics and the texture, the texture does bother me a little bit, so I might still stick a vinyl thing on it like I did here. But as is, pretty good. Ooh. And um, so my impressions are that it feels basically the same as the old. It feels basically the same as the Steam Deck itself. Like in the hand, it's basically the same ergonomics. A little bit better without any of the weight. Like comparing it. Let's compare it to the Steam controller original. Roughly the same size. This is a much worse feel in the hand. Significantly worse feel in the hand. If you liked this though, this is an improvement on it. It will feel way better. It just feels way better. It's hard to describe. I am not great at describing ergonomics or anything like that, but that might be my favorite part. Um, anyway, full review coming soon. I'll dive into it quite a bit more. I'll talk about improvements over the previous, but yeah, pretty exciting.